Hey guys, what's up? It's Ali Goodwin. Someone is mowing the lawn right now really loudly outside my window, so sorry. Please stop. Okay, I tried. Sorry guys. And the light's changing, so video's already off to a bad start. Anyways, today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some super last minute hairstyles. During finals, I woke up like 2 minutes before my final. I reset my alarm in my sleep. Who's a winner and a good college student? Not me. And my hair was like in my natural state, and you guys have probably never seen my natural hair, but it is a mess. So these are super quick last minute hairstyles that are also really cute if it's just like a hot day and you want to put your hair up, or you're like me and your hair is a mess. I curled my hair right now just so I can look cute in this video, but trust me, I know the struggles of terrible hair. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Also let me know if you guys know of any, because the ones you're about to see in this video I literally do like 24/7 and I probably need some new hairstyles. Alright, let's get into the video. Number 1, we're starting off with buns. So I'm terrible at buns, and this is like my go-to one because it's literally the easiest thing in the world. And it looks pretty cute, and I feel like most people don't do buns like this, so it's a low bun. Just gonna put your hair over here to the side, and then I'll just twist my hair like you would when you create any bun, and then twist it around itself. Once you have it in your bun, you can make it like a little messy, and I do it to the side so I don't look absolutely bald. Like you can still see that like I have hair and it's up, and then I'll just make it extra messy by pulling hair out. It will also just kind of like naturally get messier throughout the day, so I try not to make it too messy at the beginning because it's a pretty loose bun. It'll just do it on its own. And if you have extra time, it could be really cute to curl these like front pieces so you have little curls coming out everywhere. It would be like really fun. You could even braid it and then twist it into this bun, would be extra cute. So yeah, this is my go-to. It's hot and I only have a ponytail on me, or like I gotta go right now. This next one is really simple and basic. This was like a pretty popular hairstyle like a year ago, and I could never do it. It's like having half of your hair up in a top knot, and for some reason like middle school, high school me just never mastered it, but college me has finally mastered the top knot, so that's what we're doing. Normally I'll just find kind of like the middle of my eyebrows and then just take the hair above that and I'll comb it kind of straight, and then I'll just like put my finger here where I want the bun to rest and twist my hair. Sorry, I don't have a mirror. I'm totally using the viewfinder to try to do these hairstyles. And then I'll just twist it around, and then you handy dandy bobby pin, and you just pin that sucker. And there you go. And then you can even make this messier if you want. It's just a half updo, so if your hair is looking half good, this is perfect. And I'm totally gonna start doing this more. And I think this is so cute. Oh my gosh, also, I have never been able to master like the messy bun. Like just your simple basic, like all your hair in a top bun and it's like cute and messy and you're like Tumblr or whatever. I can't do it. I just can't. Like, okay, you twist your hair. Mine are just like actually messy. Like I have hair sticking out here. I just have like 2 pieces like hanging down, like. Okay, moving into our braid section. This is a hairstyle I've done in my videos before. I just take 2 little clear elastics and I'm gonna just braid the front of my hair straight down. It's a little bit out there, kind of hippie-like, but I think it's super fun and super cute, and I don't really see people wear their hair like this at all, and it's super quick. So like if your hair's looking good and you just want a little something something so it's not just hanging down, this is the best idea. Braid. And then you do that on the other side. The only thing you really have to watch out for is I make sure to braid it flat so it'll lay flat when the braid's done. Like if you braid it out here, it might not quite lay right. So yeah, that's all it is. It's really simple, just 2 front braids, and I think it's so cute. Yeah, I love this. And then you also, as an extra bonus, you can just like pull them back like this and totally just like bobby pin them back here. And then you now have like a half updo, and it's like super hippie and super cute and so incredibly quick. Also, if I have extra time, I'll just braid like random pieces because that's really cute too. I'll do really little pieces so they're like subtle, so it's not too much, because this is not a music festival, this is your everyday looks. But just like a little piece underneath or a little piece like under hair and here and stuff, and then you just slide around cute. This one is also really simple and really cute. It's like just a little bit of a twist on on your typical half updo, I'm just going to take two sides of my hair, twist them. It's a twist on your half updo, lol. And just take a little elastic and put it around it. That's so basic, Allie. Is that all? No, it's not. Here's the twist. I'm going to take a little piece of my front hair and braid it. And then once you have that, I'm just going to hold the end so it doesn't come out, and I'm going to twist it in my twist. So I'll take this hair, go under, over, through, and then it just adds like a cool little braid around your already twist. And then this part's a little trickier, but I will just tuck it in to the elastic I have, or if that's too difficult, you can just put another elastic around it, and you'll do that to both sides. And there you have it. It is so simple and so quick. Can someone please like comment below like synonyms of cute, because I literally have zero idea of how to describe these hairstyles without using the word cute. This is like a common YouTube problem too. Gosh, the struggles of being a YouTuber, am I right? Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Like I said below, comment down some cute, like fast hairstyles that you guys do, because I'm a mess in the morning and definitely could use them. But yeah, I don't really make like hair videos and makeup videos and stuff like that often, but it's something, if that's something you guys like and want to see more, also let me know. I'm gonna have some more like college and like summer themed videos coming to you pretty soon, so watch out for that. And yeah, I'll link all of my social media down below in the description, and I'll see you guys next week. Okay, bye!